All right, folks, we got some meat from my last trip. We got greater snow goose and sea duck right here. Long-tailed sea duck, old squaw. You can tell that the difference in the darkness of the meat is a lot. Like you can see, there's your big geese, and there is your duck, and you can see it right there when it's chopped up, like we're wanting to do right here. It's quite different as well. But we're gonna put it all in there together today. Marinated up, got some lemon juice in there. We got some soy sauce, some teriyaki, a little bit of we got some ground ginger in there, pretty important too. A lot of different Asian spices in this marinade right here. We got some cracked black pepper, Kaneka. Gonna dice it up. Gonna put it in there first. It's gonna lubricate the pan. Basically makes everything taste good regardless too. So that's a pretty key ingredient right there. Time to get rid of your Chinese food packets. Sweet and sour duck sauce, soy, bunch of other stuff, tiger sauce. Get all your vegetables in there, everything you like. We're going to throw in the meat that's been marinating, some garlic too. Cook it up together. Throw in some teriyaki noodles. It's going to top it off, absorb some of that juice. And what you're going to come up with is this right here. And I'm telling you, it is something amazing. Like, honestly, I was thinking I was going to get a bite of that duck and be able to tell the difference between the goose like right away. Everything tasted delicious. The dark sauce paired well with the dark meat. Absolutely good, folks.